Hey guys, welcome back to Lifestylepop. I'm Lanouche and today we're going to be talking Fendi, but not just any Fendi. We're talking the Peekaboo. Now, yes, I am a little bit late to the party. The Peekaboo has been around for more than a decade now, but I have made a very interesting discovery regarding this bag. In particular, the Peekaboo Mini. Now, not to be confused with the Peekaboo Petite, because that one is tiny. It's like a micro size bag. We're talking about the Mini. There's a lot of different styles. My personal favorite is these like bulky ones with like kind of rounded edges. There's no particular name for them. It's just called the Peekaboo Mini. Some of them are a little bit like taller looking. Some of them are more bulky like this one. I will show you a few examples. Mine are all this style. Now, let's start from the beginning. So this was my first Peekaboo Mini and I had it for several years before this pleasant discovery, as I already said. I recently developed this like little back injury. Not developed, I got a back injury, nothing serious. And I needed to travel. Randomly, I was like, you know what? I'm going to take this orange bag because it matched my outfit. And I would never even think about taking such a small bag, you know, on a journey with me. And in this particular case, I realized that this bag actually fits a lot in it. And it's incredibly lightweight. So I'll show you. This is basically how you wear it. Perfect thing is that the strap is quite adjustable, so it can go a lot longer or a lot shorter, however you prefer it. But for me, like a crossbody bag is perfect for travel because, you know, you're not holding it in your arms, your forearms don't get tired, your biceps don't get tired. Yeah, your shoulder can kind of get a little bit tired if you're walking a lot and you're like, you know, the bag is hanging there over many, many hours. But most of the time when we travel, we either get on the train or in the car or in the plane, so you put your bag away. But at the same time, it's not big enough to put too many things into it, so it doesn't get too heavy. But I will show you how much this thing actually fits. Aside from the fact that it's incredibly cute and pretty. Now this one is this, as they call it in Italian, intricato. So basically it's just braided. It's a Bottega Veneta term that they use a lot. This is the same thing. It's braided leather. And really guys, I mean, just phone, wallet. And okay, I have a small wallet, but you can fit a massive one in it as well. I've tried, trust me. Face mist. I travel with this face mist, hence why it's in here. Then passports. I mean, like really anything. At the moment, I don't have anything more, but just to give you an idea, even if I put all of these things back, and it's two compartments. So you've got the middle compartment and then you've got, I mean, look how much space I have in there. I can still put quite a bit of stuff in there, yeah? Yeah, this was my first mini Peekaboo, and after that trip, I decided that, you know what, I need to get a few more. So in this case, I'm going to unbox the ones that I have recently gotten. Now, you'd be surprised, but this one could very well be matched with the outfit I'm wearing. And this, in fact, I wanted to, why this is the first one that I'm opening and showing you is because it's slightly different to this style and the other two that I'm going to open and show you here. It's a lot sturdier, so it doesn't really open as wide as the other one does, so it's a little bit of a different style. I don't know what exactly it is that's different. I think it's the body is slightly more narrow than in this style. I prefer this one, but of course this bag also fits a lot and it can also be a great travel companion, especially if you travel with kids and you know, you want to fit a lot of things into your bag, but at the same time you don't want it to be too big and too bulky, so you don't have to, you know, break your neck traveling. So yeah, and this is how you'd wear this one. As you can see, you know, it's a little more narrow, a little more sturdy, and it doesn't really go down as much, but I do think that over time this leather will soften up and then I'll be able to kind of like wear it differently. And also, I mean, you can, you know, if you take off the strap, you can also wear it just like that. And this is pretty cool. You know, it can be a nice kind of dinner bag or even a tote. A light tote. But anyways, the point of these bags and this video was that it's a great travel bag. So let me open the next one. It's gonna stay, hopefully. And now, oops. And now I'm going to unbox the super, super chic. Ta-da! Well, you already know what it is. Ta-da! Just look at this. And so I'm gonna show you the difference once more between the two. And you see, I don't really know how they differentiate them, but do you see how much bulkier this one looks? This is definitely the preferred style. And I think it's the original style as well. And I definitely love it so much more. I'll just take out the strap. And it's also got a much thinner strap. And I mean, the brown is so rich and it's so gorgeous. I really just cannot. I mean, take a look. It's really nice. And okay, ostrich leather, which is what this is. It's an exotic skin and it's ostrich in particular, which, by the way, I will do a video on this, but if you're into exotic skin, ostrich is definitely the preferred one because A, it's a lot cheaper than crocodile, although it's just as durable, and you don't need the CITES document, which is a document that is for endangered species. So when you're traveling with an exotic skin bag, if it's python or alligator or crocodile, they can stop you, they can confiscate your bag unless you have this special paper, which is called CITES or CITES in French, to prove that your bag has been, you know, produced legally. But yeah, nevertheless, a little tip. So yeah, there you go. This is the brown peekaboo in ostrich, and it is absolutely fantastic and gorgeous. Well, yeah, these are my 3 gorgeous mini peekaboos, and I cannot recommend this bag enough. It's my new favorite travel and everyday bag because it fits everything I need, yet it's so small. Honestly, this has nothing to do with the popularity of mini bags because this one really is not. I think it's about the same size as the 25 centimeter Hermes, but it fits a lot more than 25 centimeter Hermes. Like, I would not be able to travel with a 25 centimeter Hermes Cellier Kelly, but I could potentially do it with a retourné version. But you know what, we'll do another video on that. I don't actually have a 25 centimeter Kelly retourné, so I cannot compare it, but these ones are definitely it. So if you are looking to buy another bag in the near future, I think that the Peekaboo Mini in the soft leathers is definitely a great investment. More power to you if you find one, because they're not so common anymore. Somehow they make these like sturdier, harder versions more often. Anyways, I was very happy to share this with you, and do drop a comment below if you like this video and if you like more videos such as this one. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and definitely check out our website for a lot of used luxury bags, and who knows, maybe one of these babies will end up on there too. So stay tuned and subscribe. See you later.